Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I am just going to do a little chatting while I put this card together really quickly. So this is going to be a short video. Just wanted to pop on, let you know we only have one box left for our box of the month for September. I'll have the link in the description box, but I wanted to let you guys know once you see that sold out, you're able to pre-order October's box. Now October's box is going to be more of our like Christmas box, and the November box is going to be like a winter box. And let me tell you, those two boxes you are going to fall in love with. I am super excited about those two boxes. So if you haven't subscribed to the box of the month, you got to click monthly for your frequency. So you'll see that it'll say change your frequency. Click that and change it to monthly. That will guarantee your box every month, and then your box will automatically ship every 30 days from the date you purchase. So if you haven't been over to the shop lately, you'll notice we have a lot of new things going on. We have a new subscription section in the shop. So if you click that, you'll see we have a Stamp of the Month Club, a Stamp and Die of the Month Club. We also have a Mystery Mini Kit collection. And this month, if you want to grab that this month, Teresa Russell from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa is going to be live on the Not Too Shabby YouTube channel on September 29th. And she's going to be working with that mystery kit. She's going to be making some napkin cards so you can craft along with her. We'll get that shipped out so you can have that before the live. And you can craft along with her. So that's super fun. So if you happen to be watching this and the kit does sell out, we do have some of the individual items for sale. So you can pick up the Slimline paper pad, the 6x6 paper pad, the ephemera, and the Welcome Fall stamp set. You won't be able to get this big stamp set that I'm working with right here in the video. That's only available with the kit. But we do have some other lovely items to create with. We do have a few more of that stencil that you see there that I used on this card, which was designed by Call Me Crafty Al. So they are available individually. That knit diamond stencil made a great backdrop for all of my images. I colored the images with Copic markers, and I'm just placing everything so it looks pleasing to the eye. I have some items in the background and some in the foreground. And then I stamped out that enjoy the little things up in the corner there. And I used the black Versamark ink. That ink is great for stamping over other inks, especially like your distress inks. I like it because it gives a nice crisp black image. This is a mini Slimline size card. I did use the Cat Scrappiness Wonky Stitch mini Slimline die, and I just love this cute little size. I'm going to finish up adding the rest of my images here, and then I'm going to add a couple images to the inside. And to top this card off, I'm going to use the sequins that comes in the kit and sprinkle them around the front of the card. And I think that gives it the finishing touch it needed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little card. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!